welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial on how to unlink audio and visuals in Premiere Pro. Okay, so we have this little clip here. Ignore how bad it looks. I recorded it literally just before recording this. So let's say I want to unclip these, okay? I don't want them cacked anymore. Whether it's for an L cut, J cut, whatever it is. What you want to do, right click on it, and then in this big old drop down menu you're going to find Unlink here. Just press that, and what it's going to do is mean you can move the audio at a completely different place because they're not linked anymore. Okay, and it is literally that easy. And of course you can still drag them all together just by using their rectangle, and if you want to link them again, just exactly what Unlink was, just press link back to the way it was before. Okay, thank you very much for watching and have a great rest of your day.